everyone, this is Asa from Forui Machinery. Today we're going to test the Trommel screen. Let's take a look. The Trommel screen will be used in a gold washing plant in Guinea. Its processing capacity is about 60 to 100 tons per hour. The motor is the first line brand, which is high efficiency, low noise and durable. The equipment adopts a heavy-duty steel structure to prevent large pieces of metal from damaging the screen. The screen is made of manganese steel, which is wound resistance, high toughness, and tensile strength. Angle steel is installed inside the trommel to minimize the stacking of minerals. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. This is Asa. See you next time.